Hello, everybody. It's Lynnis, and welcome to Lynnis Minutes. I hope everybody had a
anion product. A product, negative ions come from lightning strike, and we do not want to.
And it's really because I have a 3-part framework or process called exploration.
Some quick tips, tools, and techniques that are going to aid you in midlife. In just a minute, but first, let's get started in talking about what I wanted to chat with you all about today. You know, I really am always looking for ways to continue to vibe in my life, meaning how to be more vibrant, how to enhance my intuition, and how to also keep moving forward in my life where the inner beauty that I feel we all have radiates out, and also how to emerge all of our gifts, talents, and abilities into the woman that we know we can be. And so today, when I was doing some research actually this morning, early in the morning, I was looking for information on things that we should be doing midlife to enhance our overall wellness, and these quick little hacks. And, you know, it's interesting because thankfully, many of the things I found, I already knew. So, yay! I'm doing them now. I already knew them, but I'm not necessarily doing them. So I'm going to tell you which ones I'm doing and which ones I'm going to be adding, because I'm always looking for ways to stay well as I move towards that 64 in June. Okay, I'm looking out for things that I can do to stay healthy. So let's get started, because I only like to take a few minutes. If you're not doing this already, you want to start doing that, and that's adding garlic to your meals. You know, I had experience yesterday with my husband who has a gout, quite frankly, and his foot has swollen up a little bit, and he looked it up on YouTube. And I know garlic has all kinds of different anti-inflammatory benefits and antioxidant benefits. It's excellent. But also, garlic water is what he had looked up, which sounds kind of gross, but, you know, he made it and his foot went down. So actually adding garlic to your meals has so many things that are beneficial. So just take a look at that and see where you could add garlic. Some people might want to add garlic to their eggs, add to their stir-fried vegetables. My husband probably tries to add it to his oatmeal if he could. But take a look at that and see where you can add garlic to help boost your immune system and so many other medicinal benefits. Also, for those of you who are lacto-ovo vegetarians or eat meat byproducts, start your day with eggs if you can. Now, I'm not saying start your day with eggs if you have high cholesterol. You might want to do egg whites, or if you are a vegan. But for those of you who do eat eggs, this is a great way to start your day because it has all kinds of benefits, especially for the brain. So if you happen to be one of those people who is looking for a way to kind of kickstart your day and to make sure that you have a lot of energy during the course of the day, eggs could be one way to do it. One of the reasons is that a study found that there's a lot of selenium that's found in eggs, and that really does help to reduce your risk of thyroid disease, which is something that women sometimes have a tendency to struggle with. So that's another reason why you want to take a look at adding eggs to your day. Now, for you coffee drinkers out there, if you can just switch 1 cup of coffee for a cup of green tea a day, it'll go a long ways. Now, I'm sure you've heard about green tea before, but let me remind you that green tea has all kinds of cancer-fighting benefits. There is cancer-fighting power in green tea. And this is one of the unique abilities that it has. And it can also help in terms of fat burning and controlling your weight, especially as we move into the 50s and 60s. Now, for me personally, I can only maybe drink a half a cup of green tea. I don't know why, but it makes me a little nauseated. But I do drink it just for the medicinal benefits. So consider adding, maybe you're switching out your cup of coffee for 1 thing of green tea. Another thing you want to do is to make sure you're adding ground flaxseed to just about everything. Ground flaxseed is so fantastic. It has omega-3, which we need for our brains. It also is an expensive way to reduce that bad cholesterol and lower your risk of heart disease. And if you add just a tablespoon or so of ground flaxseed, and it won't change the flavor of your breakfast or anything like that, but it can help you with colorectal cancer. And that is something that can be common for men over 40, over 50 in particular. So flaxseed, I mean, it really makes it worth your while to add it to your smoothies, your soups, your sauces, your nut butters, and more. So consider that.